walk in my hood, best dressed. Next thing, upgrade, who's next? Rich boy, got him on deck. Good boy, till that nigga fetch. I put my new man on a leash. Traded in my old nigga, he was just a lease. I ride around town till I leave.
Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video is going to be a really bit more exciting. I'm going to be doing a little cooking video that I got. So I'm going to make fruity pebbles French toast. Super excited. This is going to be my first cooking video that I'm ever going to do. Feel free to smash that like and subscribe button for me down below. And without further ado, we're just going to hop right into the video. Okay, so first and foremost, I'm gonna start. I already have all of my ingredients here. So I have my bread, I have 2 eggs. I'm gonna be using some silk almond milk. And then I've got, obviously, my fruity pebbles here. Keep that. I will also show it in a better way as well. Pebbles in here. I've got cinnamon. I've got my nutmeg over here. Most importantly, to make the flavor of the French toast, pure vanilla extract. Just can't go wrong with this kind of stuff. Get into it. So my hands are already washed and clean. I already cleaned my hands. And we're just gonna go ahead and dive right into this. I'm a little nervous because I've never done a cooking video like this, so bear with me. Off with my eggs here. All in here. So next I'm going to add the nutmeg. We're just going to add a dash of nutmeg, just a dash, like this. 1, boom, boom. With nutmeg. I like to add about 3 little pinches of pure vanilla extract. So we're going to go boom, oops, 1, 3. A little bit more than I expected, but that's okay. Can't go wrong. And then we're gonna add a pinch of salt. A little pinch. So just gonna put that in my hand like so. I'm talking about literally like barely, even a little bit, like you can barely see it in my hand. 1, 2. And then, most importantly, the cinnamon. Like, I like a lot of cinnamon. Boom. And we're gonna mix it all together. I'm kind of not really good at my stirring just yet, but I'm getting a little better as I go. So the best way that I was taught was just to beat it. Make sure the egg is beat in it. Beat all the way down in there. Do this for about a minute or so. Like, I wish you guys could just smell it. Like, you already smell like the goodness, the vanilla extract and whatnot. And I'm using organic almond milk. Almond milk, I gotta stay healthy. Here, like so. I'm using my phone and I'm using my camera, by the way, just to show you guys like more in depth of like the food. Okay, and then let me just put this back really quickly in the fridge. I'm gonna grab my vanilla oil here. I'm going to start putting that in here. If you guys like these videos, let me know, by the way. Like I said, I'm a bit nervous, so alright. So now we're getting to the good part. So just dip in the actual bread. I'm using Burchery Arsorino bread. Let me kind of show you guys real quick. I'm using this one. Basically brioche, I just found out it's just another fancy term for another fancy bread. But artisano, whatever. I'm probably saying it wrong, but this is like really the best bread for French toast, for making sandwiches. I use this to make my sandwiches on my lunch for work every day. It's like really, like this bread is just really good. Highly, highly recommend it. Now, like I said, we're getting to the good part, so I'm gonna dip my bread into the mix here. You guys can see, and then I'm gonna use my Fruity Pebbles. And I'm going to attach it in here. Look at that. I'm excited. That looks so good. Okay. And then now we dip it. Right. So placing it on the griddle pan here and allow it to cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes. And like so, I'm going to be placing it in here. A little bit more. Coat. Boom. Boom. My hands real quick. I'm using organic extra virgin olive oil. It's an alternative instead of using fatty grease or butter. Just put a little bit more there, allow it to travel to the bread. Get my spatula here. Really good, so I'm allowing the olive oil to kind of mixture in here and place it down the middle. I'm like, you have no idea how excited I am to try this. So freaking good. I'm excited. My viewers, a little bit more, like just place the olive oil in here with the French toast. Oh my gosh, it smells good. I wish you guys could smell it. It smells so amazing. Oh yeah, that looks dope, dude. Heck yes. Let me turn my pan down a little bit. Thank you, TikTok. This is a really short and quick little easy recipe. If you guys want to see more videos like this, like I said, give me a thumbs up. I got another little cooking recipe inspired from TikTok as well. Yeah. This is the result. It looks so good. It like smells really good. I'm about to cut it up. Do a little bit better presentation for you guys. Or you get another clean knife. Okay, so we gonna cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Cut it. Like so. And cut it up. I'm not the best at cutting either, by the way, so bear with me again. Finally, we're gonna have the syrup here. If you guys can't really see me in this video, it's fine, because the point is that I want you guys to see the French toast. We're gonna drizzle it with some syrup here. And we're gonna eat. We're gonna do a little taste test. So here we go. Let's go. We're gonna add some parsley. So you guys know what I'm talking about. Shout out to you. Okay. There's like a crunch that it adds with like the burst of flavor. Oh my gosh, this is so good. You guys, please make this really good. Let me tell you, I got this ring. You guys, this is A1. This is really good. I picked the best bread. Yeah. This is beautiful. So good. Oh my gosh. If you guys enjoyed today's video, please feel free to hit that like and subscribe button for me down below. Give me a comment down below. Let me know if you guys want to see more cooking videos like this. I will get better at them, I promise. But don't forget, I post weekly videos every single Tuesday, and I will see you guys in the next video. And if you guys enjoy it.